Emergency, who can help me? So for this song, the first sign we're going to need is emergency. So for emergency, we're going to get both hands in fists. We're going to stick up our little fingers, and then we're just going to swing our hands in and then out. This is like this, emergency, emergency. And then we've got who. So for who, we're going to stick our pointer finger up to the sky and we're going to do circles like this. And the way that we remember who is because it makes the same shape as our mouth. Who. So who can help me? So for help, we're going to get our non-dominant hand with our palm facing up. With our dominant hand, we're going to bend our hand over like this and place our fingertips into our hand. And then it's who can help me. So help me comes towards you. So help is to the person who needs help. So can I help you or can you help me? So in this song we go, who can help me? Many. So for many, we're going to get our two flat hands with our palms facing us. And then we're going to bring our hands out. And as we bring our hands out, we're going to wiggle our fingers like this. This is many, many. And then we're going to have the sign for accident. So for accident, we're going to get our two hands in fists and we're going to bring them together like this. Like there's two cars that are crashing together. This is accident. Accident. Then we're going to need the sign for police. So for police, we're going to get our non-dominant hand with our fist. We're going to get our dominant hand with our thumb, our pointer and our middle finger. Our pointer and our middle finger are going to come across our wrist with our thumb underneath. Then we're going to bring our dominant hand up, closing our fingers to our thumb like this. And this is almost like the handcuffs of a policeman. This is police. Police. So many can help in an accident. Police, fire and ambulance. So for fire, we're going to do the sign for fire, like the fire crew. Okay, we're going to get our dominant hand with our thumb. We're going to hook our finger over like this. We're going to start with our palm facing down at our forehead. Then we're going to come up, twisting at the wrist. We're going to flick it over and end on the top of our head. And this is like, you know, the fireman's hat that has that big flip at the front. This is fire, or like the fire brigade or the fire crew. Police, fire and ambulance. Now for ambulance, we're going to get our non-dominant hand with a flat hand facing down like this. Then with our dominant hand, we're going to start in a fist, pop our pointer and our middle finger up and place our wrist down behind our other arm. Then we're going to twist like this. And this is like the light that's on top of the ambulance, you know, like when an ambulance coming, the red light or the blue light that goes round and round like this. This is ambulance. Police, fire and ambulance. 000 is all you need. So for 0, we're going to get our hand in this circle shape here. This is 0. 000 is all you need in an emergency.